Hello, beautiful human beings that are considering working with Rami. Simply put, working with Rami it's been one of the best decisions that I've made for my business, for my personal life, and it's been such a beautiful experience to have someone on my team that understands, that listens, that is empathetic, that has a vision, his attention to detail, and the way, again, he listens to your needs and what do you want to create, and the way we can co-create together. I was very overwhelmed with every single step that I had to take, and he took over and he guided me, and his patience, the way he cares about his business, the way he cares about the way he serves others. He cares about you. And for me, I was not only overwhelmed, but I was making decisions that were not in the best interest of my business, of my clients. And from building my website and taking me step by step, and building funnels, and now my clients and I also, we all have a more smooth experience and while navigating through my website or my funnels. And at the end of the day, having someone on your team that cares so much, that is reliable, that is always listening to what's best for you and your business, is really it makes it such a difference. Anytime that I was stuck, anytime that I didn't understand something, he was always there, and he still is. And so we have a really beautiful long-term business relationship, and I am so blessed and so grateful for Rami for really understanding my business, my vision, for bringing it to life, the way he takes care of every single detail. And again, it guides you, it supports you, it's reliable, and is priceless. So if you are considering entering a mentorship or coaching with Rami, you will not regret it. So listen to yourself, because it really makes such a difference. Thank you, Rami.